Come look at this beautifully updated home 8 to 10 minutes from Opelika. This one-level masterpiece has been extremely well cared for. The complete interior has been painted and is like new. Hardwood and hardwood laminate are throughout the home except for bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. This open floor plan has the master bedroom on the right and 3 additional bedrooms on the left side. The kitchen and breakfast room overlook a huge great room for a perfect family environment. The breakfast room is very spacious for a large family. The back covered porch offers family gatherings with cookouts. A backyard fire pit is a cozy place to enjoy year-round.